Alright, what's this? Okay. Pretty well packed, except right there in the bottom. What'd you buy?
Took a bunch of plastic wrap.
If I had to guess, it's airplane shit, but I think it's not. Oh, I know what this is. It's not airplane crap. Goes with that thing over there. Ooh. She's on the floor doing this. There's still more plastic in there. It's noisy, doesn't it?
It does.
See, it's softer when you use the floor. There. That gravity help you. Think I broke it?
No.
Okay, good. Ew, it's dirty. What's that?
That looks like a Harley rear caliper.
It was a rear brake caliper for what?
Softail maybe?
Nope.
Dyna.
Nope.
Sportster.
No. One left.
Touring bike.
Road turd. There you go.
Road turd.
That's for that motor and that swing arm over there.
Alright.
There's a brand new swing arm in that box. Supposedly this fits it. Do you think it fits it?
Probably not.
It better. That's what I bought it for. So this is a 1-inch axle, which is a 01 or 02. I forget. I think 02. They went to 1-inch axle. They strengthened the swing arm, and this caliper goes up to 5, 6-ish, and then maybe all the way to 7 or 8. 9 is different. I think 8 might be different, but I'm not sure. 7 might be the same. I'm not too sure yet. I'll work on this crap. Now I like how they use a silver bracket here, and the inner one's always black. It's not dirty black, it's powder coated black. So, but I haven't seen any black caliper brackets on eBay yet. They're all black on the back and silver on the front.
That's weird.
They'll be all corroded and nasty looking, but they'll still be silver colored. This one didn't look too bad. It was halfway decent. The hardware's nice and new. It came with a banjo bolt, the bleeder screw, and the brake pads look like they still have braking material on them. Yeah, if you look at the cups in there, see they're not leaky.
Oh, yeah, that's nice.
So it was dry. So all of that's a good sign that this is probably a good caliper. You don't have to rebuild it. Now it wouldn't hurt to do that, but the seal kit's only about 25 bucks. Doesn't take much to put it in. So I'd recommend doing it. So, oh well, it looks pretty good. All right, FLT road turd caliper, early 2000s. All right.